The Eureka NER E10s BK vacuum features an innovative bagless self-emptying station, which can keep dust and debris contained for up to 45 days, eliminating the need for frequent emptying and reducing costs associated with disposable bags. With a powerful suction of 4,000 Pascal, this vacuum excels at cleaning both hard floors and carpets, effectively removing dust and tangled pet hair without requiring multiple passes. Its advanced LiDAR navigation system ensures precise cleaning routes, intelligently avoiding obstacles and ensuring that every corner and edge of your home is thoroughly cleaned. The robot's 2-in-1 vacuum and mop capability allows it to detect carpets and lift the mop when necessary, preventing unwanted wet spots and ensuring optimal cleaning performance. The Eureka NER E10s BK is equipped with dual brush heads that cover a larger sweeping area, efficiently directing debris into the suction port for a comprehensive clean. Users can easily customize cleaning settings through the dedicated Eureka Robot app, allowing for tailored cleaning schedules and the ability to set no-go zones for a truly personalized cleaning experience.